Today we're going to be making my mom's sister's mother's brother's great-grandmother's granddaughter's mother's fudge pie. This recipe only takes 6 ingredients.
Karen, butter, fly. Add about a cup of sugar, cacao, whipping cream, mix a lardo. Go ahead and cook it till it's angry. It'll look something like that. You don't want to let it get too mad or it just starts spitting fireballs. Okay, he's getting pretty mad. Shut off the heat. Go ahead and add your eggs.
Oh snap.
But before we do that, let's do that. Some yum yum sauce. Bake it for 20.
Almost forgot to add the molten lava. Let's do that now. After you add the lava sauce, don't forget to add your chocolate chips. This is the most important part. If you forget this part, it might not taste like anything.
Karen, thanks.
So you can go ahead and eat this now with a spoon, or you can refrigerate it for about an hour to eat it with your hands. So this is the finished okay.
Taste test. Graham cracker.